Hey everybody, how are you guys doing? This is me, Hitman for President, and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the installation of the preload adjuster on the GSXR150. In all my previous videos, I've never said anything bad about the suspension of the bike. In fact, I love it. However, I feel like it's time for me to have a little bit of an upgrade. And that's only because in August I have a race. And the track that I'm going to is a place that I'm very unfamiliar. I've never been there, and from the information I get about the track, it's not really that good. There are too many bumps everywhere and you do not want to race in the wet, and the track doesn't disperse water that efficiently, so there'll be puddles here and there. So you don't want to be racing with a bike that doesn't have the best suspension ever. But I still feel that there is a bit of bounce, especially when the fork is traveling upward, so you can feel like when I'm riding it, at times I feel like I'm actually fighting against the bike. So I don't want that. I want to have the bike to be working together with me. I'm not going to be doing the installation on my own, so I'm going to be taking this bike to my friend at the OK Garage and have them work on the bike. So instead of just installing the preload adjuster, I'm going to have them to work on the fork, replace the fork oil, service the whole thing, and then install the preload adjuster. And I don't want to waste any more time. Let's go straight to it. Waalaikumsalam. Kau baru buka ke? Jom.
Cakap dengan dia, bagi kau dengan muntul tak apa. Setengah jam saya tunggu. Yes. Alright. Dah, bagi satu bekas minyak hitam ni tu. Minyak racing. Cuma dia punya tu je lah, lembut. Jadi minyak dia tak jadi hitam lah. Betul tak?
Kalau spring ni, kalau kau nak cari yang elok je, spring apa kau cari?
Tak tahu lah Suzuki. Okey, saya tekan pokok Okey. Okey. Tahan je
Senang lah pakai ni.
Dah, pas. Kan senang.
Tak boleh pakai yang tu kan. Bodoh
Okey.
Okey. Alright. Keras kan?
Dia belum keras lagi, boleh keras lagi. Boleh keras lagi.